Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, come back at you with some more wonderful information today. Today we're going over, what the heck is this? Well, this is actually a meat probe. Okay, and what this is this actually allows you to cook to an internal temperature, because everybody knows when you read the instructions, it says heat for X number of minutes or until the internal is X number of degrees. Well, this is what we're going to show you what this is. So basically, we've got a double oven here, and we set it to probe cook. Now we can go to food guide bake. We're going to go to convection roast, okay, just to go, okay? And then we're going to hit next, okay? Now, okay, convection roast temperature, 350, we hit next, okay? Now we want to tell it what is the internal temperature we want it to get to. So if we want to get our well, it depends if we want rare, medium, well, or whatever, is what your internal temperature is going to be. So we're going to say 165, okay? We're going to hit next, and then basically we need to plug this in. If you look right over here, there's a little bitty port there, okay? And this goes in here, plug it in, and then I'm going to stab this in my meat, and then I'm going to close the door. Okay, so stab, we're in the meat, we're good. I'm going to close the door, and then I'm going to hit start, okay? Okay, it didn't let me do that, but yeah, you'll insert the meat probe, and then it'll actually cook to the temperature, the internal temperature of whatever you have. So instead of cooking it for 30 minutes, hour and a half, it will cook as long as it needs to with the sensor probe. Okay, so it's an easy way of cooking to a condition of rare, medium rare like that, as opposed to going, is it done yet? And having to punch it, having to slice it to find out what your internal is. This is a very good thing to use. Learn how to use it. Read your instruction manual. It'll show you how to use it with your oven or stove, because most now stoves have it too. So, like I said, read up on it. So this is Keith. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Come back next week for some more wonderful information. Have a good day.